Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Roblox account meets the age and verification requirements, because voice chat is gated for verified users. Once done, update the Roblox app so features and fixes are current, and make sure your device permission for the microphone is on. Then open Roblox and sign in, navigate to settings, and find the privacy and voice chat toggles. Turn voice chat on now, because you want the feature active before joining any game that supports it. You should join a game that explicitly lists voice support, since not every place enables it. Once inside, open Roblox settings and switch on voice chat, choosing spatial audio for positional sound if the game supports it. Then check the mic indicator, speak normally and watch the input meter. If it moves, you're connected. Make adjustments to the input volume so others hear you without clipping, and select the correct microphone device in your system settings if multiple mics are present. You finalize setup by learning the quick controls. Mute yourself, mute individuals, and use volume sliders to balance chat versus game audio. Make sure Roblox output is set to your headset or speakers so you hear others clearly. If the voice feed is unstable, first verify microphone permission in your OS, restart Roblox, and update audio drivers. If that fails, rerun account verification or reinstall the app. One key tip: verify your age and verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.